Hey y'all, this is Chris Rich. I'm standing in beautiful Plaza Midwood, and I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas ball. The things you need are tin snips, gloves, 2 packs of 100 count mini lights, and then 2-foot poultry netting. I usually buy the 2-foot by 50-foot pack, and it's the kind of the thin wire stuff. So first thing you're going to do is take out the poultry netting, and usually I do about roughly 4 feet, but you can do them smaller or bigger, however you want, but this is usually it makes the right size ball, so it looks about like that. And then you take your tin snips and you just cut right down the middle. Now you want to make sure that you cut, oh we can't see this, but you want to make sure that you cut in the middle of one of these so that you have basically male ends. And I'll show you that in a second. So now you got your poultry netting, your chicken wire rather, all laid out, and you've got these 2 ends that you need to marry together. So I like to just start at the top, turn it around so you can see this way. Basically just start at the top and then you kind of fold it into each other like this. So it's important to note that this isn't an exact science. I mean, it's pretty rough looking, but we'll shape it into the ball that we're looking for. So you got your sphere here. And basically at the top, you just kind of want to start to fold it in on itself like this. So I'll push one hand down, and then you just sort of make triangles on top like this. Don't be afraid to really get in there and push on it. And the goal is to create a nice kind of sphere on the top, and then we'll turn it over and do the same thing. So now we've got our rough ball. Mine's a little cylindrical, but it actually gets a lot better when you start putting the lights on. So you got your ball, and then you want, again, 2 100 pack lights. And want to unbox these. Doesn't really matter which end that you start with, but so start with one end, and then I like to feed it through one time like this and make a knot so that it's easier to pull on. Just like that. Knot. And you just sort of start working all the way around. Again, as you're working on the lights, you can keep shaping your ball to make it as ball-like as possible. So, got back to the other end, and then I'll feed it back through one time just to make sure it stays on. And then get your other lights or strand. Alright, so we got to the end, and again, just feed it back through, sort of lock it in one more time on your last female end like this. You've got your male end, female end, and once the lights are on, you can kind of put the finishing touches on your shape. And there you go, lighted Christmas ball.